Normally we'd be watching the last episode of the Coyote Treks series, but unfortunately those files are now lost in this brick, which is now a paperweight, since we had a hard drive failure. Fortunately, some video was salvaged from some SD cards, so I'm putting the last of those in this video, and we'll be able to continue on with our next adventure, luckily, since a friend of mine was able to recover most of those files for me, and I do have some help with some other people supplying me with some media that they shot themselves. So unfortunately this is now a paperweight. So fortunately we did share this trip with Coyote Works and Softroadingthewest, and they also have video out of this trip, and luckily those take over probably about 45 minutes from the last episode of this trip. So I'm going to provide links in the video description that will take you directly to where our video left off and where their video takes over for the last part of this series.
That's it.